Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Um, it's Monday morning and Bitcoin, another movement at 5 o'clock, about 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which was expected, not much. Um, yeah, this is getting pretty, you know what I'm saying? You like just sitting in there, man. Very odd behavior, man. I'll tell you that for Bitcoin. Anyhow, day chart, daily chart is still probably has downside even going into August. Just not as much on the daily chart, not quite as bearish as some of these other shorter time frame charts. Still looking for a shot to 30, 31.5 back up to 32 once it gets down here. It's going to have a shot up there. It looks like it's going to take it till at least the middle of the month, maybe the end of the month. Okay. So now that's Bitcoin, guys. And once it gets up there, is it going to break those levels? We're not going to know until it gets there, guys. Okay. I'll say this about this. Okay. For the few of you that are going to watch this channel, is that the coin market is not looking good at all, guys. There's some things under the surface that are brewing. Okay. There's some stable coin stuff going on. You can see here's the stable coin. Here's one for Coinbase. Here's another one for Kraken. This one's on Binance. See the stable coins right here? They're nothing of concern yet. Okay. But those are solid candle bodies getting down there, guys. You can see candle bodies usually don't go down there. I guess it did happen over here back in May. Nothing to be concerned with yet. Okay. But with just these numbers that it's hitting, like 99.7, even 99.6, 99.6, 99.5, or something like that. It's not even, a concern, even if it gets to low 99s on the stable coins, guys. But the real issue appears to be maybe CZ and this Huobi, however you say that name, this Huobi exchange that is supposedly insolvent, possibly. And there's also a situation with CZ of Binance where he's exited all his USDC position, and he's going into his own. They made his own stable coin. Yeah, so this one right here, and then they're going into that one, and there's rumors of a stable coin war possibly going on. I've been thinking about that. What is he doing? I don't know what CC is doing, guys. Take out, I'm not saying to take out Tether. You want to be cautious. Like if you're on an exchange, you can already see it, guys, on the exchange that a lot of folks are getting out of USDT or Tether right now, and they're like going into a coin like DAI or True USD. Okay. So you want to be that you have space, probably already have a flip to a coin just in case, exit plan, get your stuff up to exchange, whether, you need to get USDT to exchange and flip it to USD dollars, or you need to flip it to a coin, get it over there, flip it to dollars. You can flip it to Bitcoin and get it to dollars at the end of the day. So you want to be aware of that too. Okay, guys. There's also this situation with Curve Finance too, guys, which it's not over with. Okay, on Curve Finance here, guys. Looks like algos are saying potential run up to the 80. See, all this was done on a handshake. So this guy supposedly borrowed all this money from Justin Sun, I guess, and some other folks that are in the cryptocurrency space. And it was all just a handshake, guys. It said, yeah, we won't do this and we won't do that. In the cryptocurrency space at that, guys. Cryptocurrency space does not have a good track record of people keeping their word, if you know what I mean, guys. So this could be a ticking time bomb itself too with Curve Finance, guys. Okay. And the other one too is there's a lot of leveraged positions in Ethereum with pretty big liquidation events at 1200, 1300, 1200, and on down here, guys, on Ethereum. Okay. There's top targets up there, and now these bottom targets are starting to pop up now too, guys, right here on Ethereum, the 1500, 13, and as low as 1100 now for Ethereum, guys. And I mentioned before, I said, be careful of the altcoin market, guys. Be careful of the altcoin market, because all the altcoins, pretty much all of them, except the few that are straggling out there, like Stellar, XCD, etc., a couple here and there, are bullish. That's just a case of musical chairs that's going on in the cryptocurrency space, because the evidence shows clearly that no new money is coming into, no new viewers are coming to crypto. It's on a trend down on YouTube and on social media. Any other data point that you want to look at for the interest in crypto, the interest in Bitcoin is on a downtrend. Okay. So these things, but the most important part of it is the stablecoin activity in the cryptocurrency space is not going up, it's going down. So what that means is that you have a money within that system, and all that money is doing is going from one place to another place, and that's where you're seeing your pumps. So what's going on in reality is that people are just chasing these pumps around in a circle. Okay. And they're getting conned to believe, and I'm going to use the word conned because that's what happens in markets. They're getting conned to believe that this is just the beginning of the bull market and it's no big deal because everything is going up and to the right. When it clearly, even without my algos, guys, the altcoin market, including Ethereum, don't look like they're going to be going up and to the right. Okay. Not now. So you want to be careful. You have a shot up here to 21, maybe 22. I would take it. Don't take any chances, guys. I'm here because I give a crap. All right. I give a crap. So don't take any chances if you get it. The daily algos on Ethereum, are saying possibly one more pump. Here's the daily, but basically the same time frame as Bitcoin, bottoming down here, maybe up a little bit on a 2-day algo, bottoming down probably same time as Bitcoin and going up a little bit. And if you see this on Ethereum, here's a high, here's a high, and you see another high like that, come on, man. That's called a lower high, clearly telling you that you need to evaluate the asset. Okay, guys? So that's how I look at that. This is my going into details until this all plays out. I'm not going to put much more on a public YouTube video. I'll just primarily go over Bitcoin, but the details I go over in my Discord. Okay, in my Discord channel, I go over the details right here at the top of in the description of all my videos. Now I put the Discord link. It's not going to be for free, and those that come along and ask for, can I check it out free? No, you can't check it out for free. It's my time. You already get free data from me on the YouTube videos. So if you're looking for something free, it's not going to be free, and don't even ask for if it's going to be free. Okay, it's my time. And the cost is $20 a month. One more day for that full lifetime access. I'm taking it off after day, and after that, it's only for $20 a month. And you will be in my Discord. People ask, well, what's the advantages of it? You will be one step ahead of the markets. Okay. You will not be part of the crowd that's going to more than likely get trapped, because most of the crowd in the markets, guys, 80-90% of them are going to get trapped, especially if Bitcoin goes over 32K. Okay. If Bitcoin goes over and establishes a little bit of a bigger support above 32K for the next till the end of the year, some people are going to get trapped, just like they were at the top of 2021 up in there. okay, and get trapped up into that area again. So I'll show you as an example. If you go to let's just say a weekly chart on Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, I haven't looked at the weekly algos. The weekly algos updated. Let's see if there's a change. Not much of a change, but they are getting weaker. All those weakers, and these are still 7th of August. So yeah, these fibs are still the same. So there's a shot for Bitcoin, guys. So for it to go up, but all the folks that got into here, they got trapped, okay, and been waiting for this to get back up here to like at least break even. A lot of them are over here, okay, are selling, okay. That's why you have this resistance here. These folks trapped, they're selling. Maybe other players, people are selling too, just in case, because they don't like its massive resistance. And they're correct. It's probably a good place to sell. I can't blame them for that. But if it gets up and over this and it's established itself up here for the next couple months, the unsuspecting person that doesn't know better may buy some Bitcoin up here and get trapped again, just like over here, guys. So that's what's going to be going on. I'll go over the coins, the KASPA, because people contact me about KASPA. You know, when do I sell? Look, I can't tell you when to push a green button or a red button on these coins, guys, okay? I'll tell you that KASPA is going up into a topping process right now, okay? Let's see here. Let me just get rid of the these right here. I'll put this on KASPA, okay? And put on the RSI data. Okay, let's see here. Just on the daily chart, you got the bearish divergence there, and then you got bearish divergence from that peak to that peak. Let's check the weekly. There you go, right there. You know, from that peak to that peak, you have bearish divergence, guys, on the weekly. Okay, more than likely, KASPA on that leg is not going to be taking out that leg. Is there always a possibility? There is, but there's fib targets on the weekly, 0.064, and maybe a spike up to the 7 cents target that I originally had from months ago, whenever that was, back in December of 22, it looks like, okay, on KASPA, guys. So, like I said, I can't tell you when to push the red button or the green button on these assets, guys. I'll say this. You're never going to be happy with your exit, and you're never going to be happy with your entry. That's just how it is, and you have to get used to that, okay? So Nakamoto Games, another one. Topping process too, guys. All right. So let's go over Nakamoto Games real quick. It's the same thing, guys. You know, maybe a spike on Nakamoto Games to 53 cents and then 56 cents. Definitely be making the divergence up there. Let's see if you got it on a weekly chart. Probably not. No, Nakamoto Games, you know, it does have a chance to take that out on a weekly, which could extend. So, like I said, guys, I tell you, man, I'm not lying to you when I say something on this YouTube video. Right there, about 54, 55 cents is where I exited. Okay. If Nakamoto Games goes up there, I don't care. Okay, I'm out. I got everything out because I want to get out of the altcoins. And the reason why I was getting out of the altcoins is because of this. And it doesn't matter what all these altcoins are going to be doing when this is going to do this, go up and probably start doing that, guys, on Ethereum. All right, that's my position on it. A little more serious on this video for those that are going to watch it. Hey, and you take heed to it. Hey, you know, at least open to the idea. But the like I said, guys, in the Discord over here, it's not about being a moon boy, and it's not about being a bear boy. It's about being an apex predator and being 1-2 steps ahead of the markets. Okay, most people cannot track the markets because they're inside. They're within that box of the market. So the markets put people in a box. I used to be in that box. Until they get out of that box, they can't see what's going on with the market. They're just in with the market, if that makes sense a little bit. Okay. All right, guys, that is the end of my video. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.